bestbookbits.com brings you the book summary of The Science of Being Well by Wallace D. Wattles. Introduction. In The Science of Being Well, Wallace D. Wattles delivers a profound treatise on the principles of health and well-being, unveiling timeless insights that transcend the boundaries of time and culture. As we embark on this journey of exploration, we will delve deeper into Wattles' philosophy, examining the intricate interplay between mind, body, and spirit, and uncovering practical strategies for achieving optimal health and vitality. Chapter 1. The creative power of thought. At the core of Wattles' teaching lies the revolutionary concept of the creative power of thought. He posits that our thoughts possess a dynamic energy that shapes our reality, including our physical health. Wattles challenges readers to recognize the profound influence of their thoughts on their well-being, urging them to harness this creative power to manifest health and vitality in their lives. Drawing parallels to contemporary theories of neuroplasticity and the mind-body connection, Wattles' insights resonates with modern understandings of the brain's remarkable ability to rewire itself in response to thoughts and experiences. Through practice such as visualization, affirmation, and mindfulness, Wattles empowers readers to reprogram their minds for health and wholeness. Chapter 2. The mind-body-spirit connection. Wattles transcends the conventional dichotomy between mind and body, presenting a holistic framework that acknowledges the interconnectedness of all aspects of our being. He argues that true well-being arises from nurturing the mind, body, and spirit in harmony rather than treating them as separate entities. Wattles' holistic perspective anticipates the integrative approach of modern medicine, which recognizes the interdependent relationship between psychological, physiological, and spiritual factors in health and healing. Through anecdotes, illustrations, and practical exercises, Wattles guides readers on a journey of self-discovery, encouraging them to explore the deep connections between their thoughts, emotions, and physical sensations. By cultivating self-awareness and mindfulness, readers can develop a deeper understanding of their inner landscape and unlock the keys to lasting well-being. Chapter 3. The Principles of Well-being. Wattles provides the readers with a comprehensive blueprint for achieving optimal health, outlining practical principles that encompass nutrition, exercise, rest, and mental attitude. He emphasizes the importance of adopting a balanced lifestyle that honors the body's innate wisdom and supports its natural healing processes. Wattles' dietary recommendations advocate for a return to simplicity, emphasizing the importance of whole, natural foods that nourish the body and promote vitality. He encourages readers to cultivate a mindful approach to eating, savoring each bite and listening to their body's signals of hunger and satiety. Wattles' emphasis on the quality of food and the impact of health foreshadows contemporary movements promoting organic, locally sourced, and plant-based diets. Exercise. Wattles contends is essential not only for physical fitness, but also for mental and emotional well-being. He encourages readers to find joy in movement, whether through structured exercise routines or activities that bring pleasure and fulfillment. Wattles' holistic approach to fitness aligns with modern research, highlighting the myriad benefits of regular physical activity, from improving cardiovascular health to reducing stress and anxiety. Rest and relaxation. Wattles argues are essentially critical components of well-being, allowing the body to rejuvenate and replenish its energy reserves. He advises readers to prioritize sleep and downtime, creating a sanctuary for restorative rest in the midst of life's demands. Wattles' insights into the importance of rest align with contemporary recommendations for sleep hygiene and stress management, which emphasize the critical role of adequate rest in promoting overall health and resilience. Chapter 4. The Power of Faith and Belief. Faith and belief emerge as a potent force in Wattles' exploration of well-being, serves as a catalyst for healing and transformation. He contends that a strong belief in one's ability to be well is essential for realizing health. transcending the limitations of the physical body and aligning with the infinite intelligence of the universe. Wattles challenged readers to cultivate unwavering faith in the body's innate capacity for healing, trusting in the wisdom of the body-mind-spirit complex to restore balance and wholeness. Through anecdotes and examples, he illustrates the transformative power of belief in overcoming illness and adversity, inspiring readers to cultivate a deep sense of trust in the benevolent forces at work within and around them. While some may dismiss faith as mere wishful thinking, Wattles' insights invite us to consider the profound impact of belief on our perceptions, experiences, and outcomes. Drawing upon principles of quantum physics and metaphysics, Wattles unveils a universe teeming with infinite possibilities where the boundaries between thought and reality blur and miracles become possible. Chapter 5. Embracing Personal Responsibility. The Science of Being Well cultivates in a call to action, urging readers to take ownership of their health and well-being. Wattles challenges readers to reject the role of passive bystanders in their own lives, instead empowering them to become active participants in the process of healing and transformation. He emphasizes that good health is not a matter of luck or chance, but the result of conscious choices and behaviors. By embracing personal responsibility and adopting healthy habits, readers can reclaim their power to shape their destinies and create lives of vibrant health and vitality. Wattles' message of empowerment echoes throughout the book, reminding readers that they possess within themselves the keys to unlock their full potential for well-being. Through discipline, practice, and unwavering commitment, readers can harness the creative power of thought, cultivate a harmonious mind-body-spirit connection, and embrace a lifestyle that honors their innate capacity for health and wholeness. Conclusion. In The Science of Being Well, Wallace D. Wattles offers readers a roadmap to profound mysteries of health and well-being, unveiling a treasure trove of insights that transcend the limitations of time and space. As we journey through the pages of this timeless masterpiece, we discover not only the practical strategies for achieving optimal health, but also profound truths about the nature of reality and the power of the human spirit. Wattles' teachings resonate with the wisdom of the ages, echoing the timeless truths found in ancient spiritual traditions and modern scientific discoveries alike. Through his eloquent prose and penetrating insights, Wattles invites readers to embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery, empowering them to unlock their full potential for health, happiness, and wholeness. As we apply the principles outlined in The Science of Being Well to our lives, we awaken to the miraculous potential that lies dormant within us, ready to be unleashed through the power of intention, faith, and action. In reclaiming our birthright to radiant health and vitality, we step into the fullness of our being, embracing a life of abundance, joy, and fulfillment. And that's a wrap on The Science of Being Well by Wallace D. Wattles. If you want this, download the link to download the PDF summary. Follow us at bestbookbits.com. We have over 1,000 book summaries in video, written, and audio format. Check us out on Spotify, YouTube, subscribe to the channel, and if there is a book you want me to do a summary on, comment below. Thanks for watching and listening. Have yourself an amazing day. Take care. Bye-bye now.